Okay, let's fast forward now to the portal and help you understand how to schedule come spring scheduling. So we talked about the portal. We're going to start here. And when we turn on the portal at 5 o'clock on March the 16th, you will go over to the peer team contacts. Right now, when you go to peer team contacts, it says coming soon. But when we turn on the spigot, you'll click here and you'll be able to see the teams that are in your division. And the first 5 teams that are in your division will be the 5 closest teams to you. So in this particular case, we have the Red Sox that are also in my zip code. The Cards are 8 miles away. The Tigers are 10.8 miles away. The Greenwich team is 17.4 miles away, etc. What we are asking teams to do is we want you to play the 3 of those 5 green teams in your division. And after you schedule those 3 games, you're more than welcome to schedule other games. But we really ask you to zero in on those games that are closest in geography. So once you settle on a game day, date, time, and field, you go over here to the schedule manager. You click here, and this is how you would schedule a game. You just click on the schedule a game. You pick your opponent. In this case, I'll pick the Tigers. I'll be the host team. The game date is going to be the 16th. We'll make the game time 6 o'clock p.m. And the venue will be Granite Knolls. I'll schedule that game. So what you'll see is it shows up right here, and when you hover over the team over the game, it kind of tells you what you need to do. So for instance, this is something where we launched out to the Greenwich Cardinals and asked them to play here. We asked them to play here. Here is the other way. This is something where if there's an exclamation point, that means you have to do something. And so in this case, it looks like the Red Sox asked to play us. So I go over here, I hover over it, and it says I have the option to reject the game, propose a scheduling change, or approve the game. I talked to the Red Sox about this. We agreed on the game. It's going to be at APAR at 6 o'clock on Saturday, March 11th. So I'm going to approve that game. And once I approve it, you see it turns green. So that means that game is confirmed. It will be added to our master schedule, and we will assign an umpire to that game. So I'm going to go over to this one over here. I'm going to approve that. So it's a doubleheader, and we're good to go for those particular games. So at the end of the game, you go over to the report game score and you enter in the game score of that game. So that helps you understand how to go through the scheduling process. It's very, very simple, intuitive. And if you have questions, don't ever hesitate to reach out to the league. Thanks very much, and stay tuned for more videos from the GHVBL.